Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Meron, and I know it's been so long since I have made a video for you guys, only because July has been trying to tear your girl down, like literally, financially, mentally, physically, because I've been going to the gym, getting muscles on y'all, getting fit. I mean, they're probably not there yet, but I be in the gym, like, so, you know, my body been a little sore or whatever. But yeah, no, I'm back. I was supposed to make a video a couple weeks ago, but Gorilla came to town. It was her birthday. We threw her a surprise party. And that following weekend, I was in Florida with my family. So it's just been a lot, but I'm back and I'm finally making a video. I'm super excited because I'm gonna do a side part low ponytail. And I actually just picked up some Gorilla Snot from the store. I'm actually really excited to use this. I mean, I know it's been out on the market for a minute, but I just like never picked it up because I was using Eco Styler for a really long time at one point. So I'm really happy that I picked this up and I finally get to try it and do a video using it. I typically do middle parts only because I think they look so much cuter on me, and I have like this widow's peak. Yeah, I'm one of those people. I have a widow's peak, so like that side part kind of looks a bit off sometimes. But we're gonna try it out again. But usually it comes out really cute, but that widow's peak kind of be like throwing it off just a little bit. But yeah, I can't wait to do this. I'm really excited to see how this works on my hair. I think it'll do amazing. I just need some with some maximum hold, and I feel like this is gonna do that for me. So without further ado, I'm gonna take these twists out that I've had for like 4 days now. At one point they were braids and then they turned into twists, and now it's about to turn into a ponytail before I wash it on Monday. Today's Saturday. So yes, without further ado, I'm going to get started. Let's go.
So once I get my hair all taken out, I'm going to take my rat tail comb and I'm going to place a clean side part into my head, just like so. I'm going to end up fixing it just a bit because it's not that straight. And then I'm going to take my spray bottle and saturate all the hair that is going to get touched by gel or brush down, because you cannot add gel to dry hair. So I'm going to take my hard bristle brush after that, and you cannot use a soft bristle brush because you will not lay any hairs at all. You need a hard bristle brush to get your hair laying down. And as you can see, it's laying down pretty nicely before I even add the gel. And I want to take my wide tooth comb and just kind of comb my hair out a bit, because I want my hair to lay as flat as possible so I can get the sleekest look possible. And then just brush over it just a bit more, just like so.
this is the final look. I actually really like it. The Gorilla Glue worked amazing. I laid my hair down like super flat. So this is what it looks like after I laid my edges, took my shash off, and put my hair in like a bun. I know it's kind of like a nappy bun, but I didn't want to do too much to my hair. Yeah, so I love the Gorilla Glue, but like as you could see, it was like applying weird. It was almost like cotton candy, like when it gets like when you're making the cotton candy and like the strings kind of like fly everywhere. That is literally what it was like. Like I would like rub it in my hands, and like when I would separate them, it was just like, I don't know, little specks in the sky. I mean, not in the sky, but in the air of the Gorilla Glue. It was really weird. I don't know. I don't like that, but yeah, it looks really good. Even my widow's peak is laid because this hair is like 2 inches long. No, like maybe an inch. It's literally an inch long. So yeah, it laid all that down and I love it. So let me know if you like it. If not, let me know if you didn't like it. Tell me what was the problem. What was the reason? But if you did like it, let me know that too. And have you tried Gorilla Glue? Do you like it? Pros, cons? Let me know. We also are open to suggestions on what you think we should try. We love trying new things. So just comment down below, like, subscribe, tell your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.